Hello everybody, it's Suzanne here. Welcome back to my channel. It is IPSY Glam Bag time again. Let's open up the box and see what I got this month. Okay, it is open. And it's a smaller box than usual, but in small boxes come big surprises, I think. So, first thing I grabbed is the Ole Henriksen Strawberry Lemonade Smoothing Scrub with AHAs and sugar exfoliants. Okay, exfoliation is so important. You do it once a week minimum, depending on your skin condition and skin type. All right, the next product that we have in this IPSY Glam Bag is the Dew of the Gods, H2O, Heaven, Water, and Blue Spirulina Daily Gel Moisturizer. It says, all day hydration and cooling and calming. Who doesn't want that? Okay. And then we have by, can you see this? Maybe. It is Danisha Myricks Beauty Yummy Skin Lift and Flex Concealer for eyes and face. Neutral, number 2. And we've got, all right, this one here. Let's see. It is by Maison Louis Marie, number 4. Okay, I still don't speak French. I speak German. It's Bose de Balincourt. I know I butchered that, but let's see what it is. All right, let's see what this is. It's pretty heavy. Ooh. It looks like it's fragrance. All right, let's spray some on. Ooh, it is a light floral. Let's see if there's any kind of description here on the box. Parfum made in the USA. It does not say anything else, but it's light and fresh. Not bad. We'll have to see how it lasts throughout the day. And if I get any compliments from the family. Last but not least is something from e.l.f. e.l.f. Skin Tint Light Coverage Dewy Finish in the color Fair Warm. Mineral SPF of 50. Oh my God, that's fantastic. As you all know, I love my Elastin Hydra Tint Mineral SPF that I use as a foundation. And now this may be an option for me. I like this component. It feels nice in the hand. It's heavy, but it's plastic, and I like the feel of it. Feels good. Anyway, let's open this baby up. All right, this is what it looks like on the skin. All right, to me right now, on my hand, it looks a little light. However, let's see what this looks like. It's still light. So maybe we'll be using this in a couple of months. It's not bad, but it's a bit light. I do like this coverage. Coverage is fantastic. All right. Well, I didn't open up the other products. Might as well do that now. Let's look at what this Danessa Myricks Beauty Yummy Skin Lift and Flex Concealer looks like in the color 2 Neutral. All right. Ooh, now look at this. This is pretty. Also feels nice in the hand. All right, so this is concealer wand. This is what the component. Still stuck this thing up my nose. Doesn't smell like anything. Let's see what it looks like on the foundation, or not the foundation, but the SPF. Ooh, a little goes a long way. Look at that. And coverage is also pretty good. I'll be trying this out. All right, what else did I not open? All right, these Dew of the Gods H2O Heavenly Water and Blue Spirulina Daily Gel Moisturizer. Okay, I'm always a sucker for a new moisturizer. I do have dry skin. I am aging. I'm woman of a certain age, and there is Chewy making a little noise, but that's okay. All right, let's open up this box. I gotta tell you, this feels also quite heavy in the hand, and it looks like this. All right, this is glass. It kind of matches my top today. All right, let's squirt this on. Oh, and it is a clear gel. Look at that. All right. Oh, okay, this is like water. This really goes a long way. Look at that. All the way, I can get this all the way down to my elbow, from my knuckles to my elbows with 2 squirts. And it does feel like water. It has a soft fragrance, soft smell, nothing overpowering. It feels extremely hydrating, not sticky at all. I will put this over a serum and then maybe under a cream moisturizer. Anyway, that is it. Until next time, love you all.